Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponers. So today I'm here at the Kroger weekly ad couponing matchup for the sale that will run from January 16th through the 22nd of 2019. I also was thinking we'd see a mega event or something this week, but we did not. It is just going to be pretty much a repeat of the current sale going on, which is the buy one get one free, which is still a good sale. It really is, but it is a little bit of a bummer. Usually these only last a week, but if you haven't already made it to Kroger, you should totally go because there are some really good buy one get ones going on. And then also want to mention that there is going to be a Friday, Saturday only sale, so there will be some good stuff there. And the Simple Truth event is still running. That's not ending either. I don't get it. It's kind of weird. There's just like a continuation thing. I guess it's nice that Kroger is giving you more time to get the deals. So that's nice. Yeah, check out the current Kroger videos I've done. There's a lot of them going on. If you click the little line in the top right corner, it'll direct you over to those videos because you don't want to miss out on some of those deals going on right now at Kroger. So yeah, let's just dive right into this ad preview. All right, so I promise the rest of the ad doesn't look like this. For some reason, my camera like glitched. I had it sideways, so I had to do a snip with the snipping tool, and it came out kind of small. But the rest of them, there's not too many more that are messed up. Yeah, I apologize for that. Sorry if the microphone was weird too. I had these headphones plugged in, and for some reason it like messes it up. I don't understand it. I wonder if there's a built-in mic. Anyways, let's get into the ad preview. First up, we have 3 for $5 for those blueberries. Up there in the top right corner, Belvita breakfast cookies or Doritos, $1.49. Simple Truth pack bars or date bars, $1.99. And this is the best one of the whole ad. This is the best one, $4.99 for the 3-pound of the Kroger boneless chicken breasts. You better stock up on that one. That is crazy. You don't want to miss that deal. We have $2.88 for the 3 pounds of the Kroger mandarins. I've been seeing Catalina coupons spit out, so you can really get a good deal there. $3.99 for some bacon, and then buy one get one free on the boneless pork sirloin cuts. Down there we have Kellogg's Special K cereal. This is phenomenal price. They are 2 for $3. There's $1 off of 2 printable coupon. I'll have linked in the description box below to print. This makes them $1. However, Ibotta has a 35-cent rebate for them. So it's going to make these 65 cents a box for the Special K. You can't beat that. 65 cents for a box of Special K. That is crazy. You don't want to pass that one up. Now, the frosted mini wheats, there is $1 off of 3 printable coupon I'm seeing for those. So it wouldn't be as good as the Special K, but if you like the mini wheats, that's a good deal. The Kroger oatmeal is $1.50. There is that Catalina promo going on. I touched all about it in my video from this week. You get $2 back when you buy 4 participating breakfast products, and the oatmeal is one of them. So it ended up making them $1. So that's a good deal as well. Okay, we have 99 cents to Progresso soups when you buy 8. 3 for $10 for Pepsi, Coca-Cola, or 7-Up, 12 packs. All right, and then down here, more BOGOS. We have buy one get one free Nature's Own bread, Sargento shredded cheese, or the cross singles. Buy one get one free Coca-Cola or 7-Up 6-packs. Oh, and keep in mind, make sure, check if you're in a true BOGO or a non-BOGO. You've heard me hammer that over and over, but make sure you know that. All right, we also have buy one get one free on Scott Comfort Plus bathroom tissue, 12 double roll. That's an epic deal. There's a digital coupon for $2 off of 2. So that would make them a really good deal because they're $6.99 shelf price. I have a video up all about the BOGO deals because there's more than what's in this ad. I also have buy one get one free on Breyers or Turkey Hill ice cream. More buy one get ones. Here we have buy one get one free honeysuckle turkey tenderloin. I didn't see that last week, so it looks like they're adding some stuff in. Buy one get one free on the Nathan's hot dogs. Buy one get one free Rockstar energy drinks or the Oreo minis. Buy one get one free Kroger or Private Selection K-Cups. Buy one get one free Cooked Perfect meatballs. The Cooked Perfect, if you're in a, I talked about this in the video, there's a $1.50 coupon from the 12.9 Smart Source. That can be a really good price, especially if you're in a true BOGO store. I talked all about that in the video from this Wednesday. Buy one get one free Kroger brats or Italian sausage. It looks like they're adding more meat in than last week because I didn't see these when I did my walkthrough. So maybe they're adding some stuff. Buy one get one free Chobani Greek yogurt. We got a coupon in the 1.6 Smart Source, so that make that a really good price. We have buy one get one free on the Entenmann's Little Bites or the donuts or the cakes. And then buy one get one free on the flat out wraps. I didn't see that earlier in the week either, so that's a pretty good deal. All right, here's Kroger's famous page of the fluff ads, pretty much. Here they just have the liquor deals I do every week. Pretty much regular priced items, nothing too exciting there. 59 cents for the big K 2 liters when you buy 5. I know Amy was saying today how she couldn't believe that the Kroger brand 12 packs of the big K soda or whatever were not on sale. So 2 liters might be the way to go. I just wanted to give that mention there, 59 cents. There also wasn't an Ibotta any item rebate. I don't know if it was on diet or regular, but I think it was diet. But anyways, 25 cents back. So that would be a pretty good deal. Okay, so this 3 times fuel thing is still happening. It's nothing that amazing. They do this periodically though at Kroger. But if you're buying the stuff anyways, you'll get 3 times the fuel points. So not a horrible deal there, I guess. But here's just some of the items on that. No coupons as far as I can tell. Okay, so here are the Lean Cuisine and Stouffer's, $1.77. There is a $7 back on 7 Lean Cuisine rebate from Ibotta. I know a lot of you are mad at Ibotta right now. If you've been locked, I'm sorry. But I did decide to mention that for those who are not locked with Ibotta, you get a really good deal, 77 cents. That does not work on the Stouffer's, though, only the Lean Cuisine. $6.99 for the Starbucks and Folgers. I'm not going to read all these. This is good for the Ragu. The Simply Ragu, it's $1.67. There's a 75-cent coupon from the 1/6 Smart Source. So it make that only, it make a 91 cents, which that Ragu Simply is really good. It has a lot of minimal ingredients in it, so I've even been able to eat that. Keebler Crackers, $1.99. We got a $1 off 2 coupon. I want to say that came back in the, what insert? A while ago, 12.9. So anyways, that would make that $1.49. The rest of this is just oversized, like shampoos and Tide and stuff that we don't pay that much for. But yeah, those are the items on the 3 times thing. So the Simple Truth event is still happening. That's not going anywhere. I'm sure a lot of us have probably exhausted our digital coupons, but if you haven't, I'd say go for it again this week. There's a lot of great items that are still on sale. They actually lowered the prices on a few things that I'll point out, but I'm not going to read off everything. I have a video up all about this one as well. I'd say probably 75% of the Simple Truth products are on this digital coupon event. So yeah, you definitely you can really save big on Simple Truth products. And notice down there, those Simple Truth chips, they lowered the price on that and the popcorn, 99 cents. That's cheaper than generic, like the regular ones, like the regular Kroger ones. So to get those Simple Truth organic chips for 99 cents is a phenomenal price. I would definitely take advantage of that. All right, so we are on the back page of our sales ad or whatever now. There's not too much here. Bone getting free, boneless eye of round roast. They always just have a bunch of random things on the back. Meat-wise, I don't see too much this week. That's what I say. It's like they vary. One week there's a ton of meat sales, like this week, and this upcoming one there's really not that much. The ground turkey for $3.99 is not horrible. Honestly, it really isn't. If that's something, I mean, it's not great, but it's not horrible. Okay, down there, as you can see, Free Friday download is a Simple Truth Organics. That's nice that Kroger is actually giving out organic stuff. I find that interesting. A free Simple Truth Organic ready to drink coffee. So not too bad for that. Yeah, not too much else. The RX bar, that is, there's an Ibotta rebate for that. So if you're trying to work towards that bonus still, that might not be bad. So yeah, that's all that I'm seeing for Kroger for this next sale. I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out the other ones if you haven't already. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.